Okay, so here we are at the third garden. As you can see, it is not protected. It's out in the open. This whole entire garden is full of raspberry bushes, nothing else. When we got here, there were some that had raspberries on them. They were very, very tiny, and a lot of these bushes were burnt out and, according to my father-in-law, dead. They didn't make it. So what I'm thinking, the dream for this little section, and I got to figure out how to do it, is to get all of this out and start completely from scratch. And I am obsessed with sunflowers, totally obsessed with sunflowers, and I would love to grow my own sunflowers. Here's the catch. Deer absolutely love sunflowers, and we have huge pastures here full of deer. So I don't want to fence it up so high that I can't enjoy the look of the sunflowers, but I need a way to keep the deer out. So that is the challenge. I don't think this is going to become a dream until next year as far as actually planting the sunflowers, but I do want to get all this out and start prepping the soil for sunflowers. That is all 3 gardens. Thank you for joining me. I'll be posting pictures with this video clip and getting this uploaded today. Until then, have a great day. Love from Montana. Patterson Ranch out.
Hi.